Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wig install for beginners. You guys, your girl did her thing. Do you hear me? I'm just saying, I'm a beginner. I'm not an expert by any means, but this method is so easy and you will love it. Today we're using Unice hair. This is not a sponsored video, but I just seen them on Instagram, so I wanted to try them out. This is the hair right out of the package. It is the body wave texture. This is the transparent lace. It's super soft and it had zero odor when I took it out of the box. As you can see, no plucking is needed. They did a great job making a very natural hairline. So they did most of the work for you. I'm telling you, check them out. They have so many different options. They even gave me a little baby hairs. You know, we do love our baby hairs. Nothing too dramatic, but they at least did that work for us too. To help secure the wig, they did provide little combs on both sides of the unit and in the back along with this strap. I really appreciate the extra security because there is nothing worse than your wig sliding on back. Next, I'm going to go in with the lace tint. Now, you really don't need to do this step because of the transparent lace, but it's something about that light, warm brown color that is just given for me. It really made for a easier transition or blendable moment, if you will. So then we're going to slide her on back, make sure she's tight. I want to make sure I fit it properly, making sure I pull it down, secure the combs, you know, just making sure it's in place before we spray her down. Come on, hairline. Yes. I've been watching you. I low-key was feeling myself already at this point, y'all. Y'all just don't know. But moving right along. So one of my favorite influencers, her name is Unice, by the way. She put me on to this olive oil wig spray. I mean, she made a video on her channel about how she applies her wigs. And I said, oh, say less, sis. That I can do. So all you do, you guys, is you spray this wig spray along the hairline and you take one of those bands. Actually, the brand provides you with one of the little stretchy bands so that you can lay and melt your lace. One thing I love about this spray, this wig spray, is that it protects my edges. Your girl, between you and I, has weak edges, okay? So we're going to protect them by any means necessary. This spray is made with castor oil, which is designed to strengthen and maintain your hairline. It's not a long hold, but it does hold for like 48 hours. Now, when you put this band on, I need you to make it like borderline headache type tight, okay? We need that lace to melt. I'm going to put the link to Naz's video in the description so you guys can follow her, check her out. I'm telling y'all, she be dropping some gems. Next, we're going to cut off the excess lace, go in like a zigzag, jagged motion. That way it looks more natural. And boom, look at that. Melted. Yes, girl. You got to hype yourself up. Y'all saw that extra product dripping. You know, we got to get that off our face. So I just took like a little alcohol on a little swab and I'm just rubbing my forehead with it just to get the excess wig spray off. If the alcohol does touch your lace, it's okay. Mine kind of did just a little bit, as you kind of see. I just went back and resprayed those pieces and tied the band back on there to lay it back down and boop, we're done. So next we're gonna use our Gots to Be glue to make some baby hairs. Now I don't know about you, to each its own, but my baby hairs don't need to touch my eyebrows. So we're not gonna do too much. We're just gonna give a little swoop-de-doo. Now for my sideburns, I like to use the thinning comb because the scissors make that real harsh blunt cut and I like to make a more like tapered look, if you will. So I'm going to cut the sideburns. It's better to start long and work your way to short because once it's gone, baby girl, it's gone. So once I do that, cut the sideburns, then I'm going to actually take my flat iron and I'm going to curl them. It makes it a lot easier when you're trying to lay them down and kind of gel them down a little bit. And again, we're going to use the Gots to Be glue for that part too. I've been watching you. I noticed it was a little bit too long, so I had to go back in there with the razor and just hit that one more time before I actually laid it down with the Gots to Be glue. Again, you can always take away, but you can't put it back. And that's it. I decided to crimp my hair. If you want to see how I did the crimps, let me know in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know as well, because your girl is officially a wig girly. Okay? See you in the next video. I've been watching you.